Now I have written a question based on our property number 8. The question is sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to sin inverse 77 by 85, and we are going to use this property. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x under the root 1 minus y square plus y under the root 1 minus x square. So basically this was this property, what we did it, we just converted this for sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We used this part to prove this one. So now how we are solving this part? We will be writing, let sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to a. So according to the definition of inverse, we are getting sin a is equal to 3 by 5. Similarly, we can write it sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to b, and sin b is equal to 8 by 17. Now we are having sin a and sin b. Now what we want? We want, according to our formula, according to this formula, sin a cos b and cos a sin b. It means we want cos a and cos b more. So moving for this, what cos a is? Cos a is equal to under the root 1 minus sin square a. And what is sin b? It will be cos b is equal to under the root 1 minus sin square b. Okay. So now putting the value, we are having under the root 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square, and this is equal to under the root 25 minus 9 upon 25, and this is equal to, after solving, what we are getting, 4 by 5. So sin a is 3 by 5 and cos a is 4 by 5. Okay. Similarly, cos b is equal to under the root 1 minus 8 by 17 whole square. Now 8 by 17 whole square, we are getting it as a square of 17. What is the square of 17? It is 289. Okay. So we can write it 289 minus 64 upon 289, and what we are getting, 289 minus 64 is what? 225. Okay. So this becomes 15 upon 17. Now we are getting, according to, we are going to use this formula. Now what we got it? We got it sin a plus b is equal to sin a. Now sin a is what? 3 by 5 times cos b. Cos b is what? 15 by 17 plus, now cos a. Cos a is 4 by 5 times sin b, and sin b is 8 by 17. Now after solving this, what we are getting? This part when we are solving, we are getting 9 by 17 plus, we can cancel 5 by 15, we are getting 9 by 17 plus 32 upon 17 5s are 85. Okay. After solving this, we are getting our result, that is 77 by 85. So we can write it now, a plus b is equal to sin inverse 77 by 85, and what is a? A is sin inverse 3 by 5. What is b? B is sin inverse 8 by 17. So we can write it sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 8 by 17 is equal to sin inverse 77 by 85. Okay, so this is proved. So now what we have done with a very simple question, this part we have not converted in tan inverse, okay, as we did in the earlier cases. So directly we can use this property to solve an entire question in this method. Okay, so similarly we can proceed with negative part, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y is equal to the second part for the property 8.